What is the status of food security and nutrition in India? Lecture is important for GS paper 2, GS paper 3, for prelims and for mains. Why news? Every year on 16th October, World Food Day is celebrated, which highlights the significance of a hunger-free world with the universal right of food. Ending hunger, food insecurity, and any form of malnutrition is one of the sustainable development goals set to be realized by 2030. एवरी ईयर 16 अक्टूबर को वर्ल्ड फूड डे के तौर पर सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है और इस दिन हंगर फ्री वर्ल्ड के सिग्निफिकेंस को हाईलाइट किया जाता है। हंगर डेवलपमेंट गोल्स सेट किए गए हैं और 2030 तक इन्हें रियलाइज किया जाना है। व्हाट इज द करंट स्टेटस ऑफ फूड सिक्योरिटी एंड हंगर इन इंडिया? फूड सिक्योरिटी एज पर द इंटरनेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी असेसमेंट 2022-2023 about 333.5 million people in India were insecure in 2022-23. 3.3% of rural population could not afford the cost of a required diet, even with 100% of income spent on food. Hunger in India 3.2% of the population is not getting a minimum of 60 meals per month. Global Hunger Index 2025 India is ranked 105th out of 127 countries, placing it in the serious category for hunger level. 2025 के ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स में इंडिया का रैंक 127 कंट्रीज में से 105th रहा है। In Global Hunger Index 2023, India was ranked 111th out of 125 countries below Pakistan and Sudan. 2023 के ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स में इंडिया का रैंक 111th रहा है। इंडिया पाकिस्तान एंड सूडान के कंपेयर में काफी बिलो रैंक रहा है इंडिया का। ग्लोबल अंडर नरिशमेंट डाटा ग्लोबल हंगर असेसमेंट सो a continuing lack of progress toward the goal of zero hunger. The global undernourishment has risen to 9.4% or 757 million people as of 2023. It is highest in the African region with 20.4% facing hunger, 8.1% in Asia, 6.2% in Latin America and Caribbean, 7.3% in Oceania are undernourished. In total count, Asia is home to the largest who are hungry, about 384.5 million as compared with 298.4 million in Africa. What are the government initiatives related to food security and elimination of hunger? Initiative related to food security. Essential Commodities Act of 1955, National Food Security Act 2013, National Food Security Mission, National Food Processing Mission, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, National Horticulture Mission, National Agriculture Market Platform. 2023 as the International Year of Millets, Mega Food Park Scheme. Initiatives related to hunger, Eat Right India Movement, Poshan Abhiyan, Midday Meal Scheme, पोषण ट्रैकर ऐप, प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदन योजना, फूड फोर्टिफिकेशन, इंटीग्रेटेड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सर्विसेज स्कीम. India journey toward food security. India has made significant strides in food security over the past 60 years. Number one, become food deficient nation to food surplus country. Once India was a food deficient nation, it has transformed now into a food surplus country. It became possible due to the Green Revolution, effective policies, and improved supply chain. Number two, National Food Security Act 2013. National Food Security Act 2013 play a crucial role in India's food security, which provide food entitlement to over 800 million citizens. Number three, distribution of fortified rice from July 2024 to December 2028. It reflecting India's commitment to improve nutrition and food security. Number four, the effective collaboration between national policies and state initiatives play an important role in country's food security framework. Number five, Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman PM Poshan School Feeding Scheme launched in 2021, and the integrated child development services are now focusing on nutrient and long-term improvement in child development and public health. Why has food security in India not translated into reduced hunger? Number one, inefficient public distribution system (PDS). Despite improvements, India's PDS still face challenges to reaching all real beneficiaries. Leakage, corruption, and exclusion errors persist. As per 2022 report, more than 90 million eligible people have been excluded from legal entitlement under the targeted public distribution system. Number two, income inequality and poverty. While India has made strides in poverty reduction, about 24.82 crore Indians escape multidimensional poverty in last 9 years. But income disparities persist, affecting food security. According to the World Inequality Report 2022, India is among the most unequal countries in the world, with the top 1% of the population holding 22% of the total national income, top 10% holding 57% income. Number 3, nutritional challenge and dietary diversity. Food security in India often focused on calorie sufficiency rather than nutritional quality. India faces a triple burden of malnutrition, undernutrition, micronutrient deficiencies, and obesity. Data from the National Family Health Survey 5 show that 35.5% of children under 5 are stunted, indicating long-term nutritional deficiency linked to poverty and inequality. The Household Consumption Expenditure Survey 2022-2023 indicate that the average per capita daily calorie intake in rural India is 1,564 kcal for the poorest 5% compared to a required 2,172 calories. In urban area, the intake is 1,607 calories against a requirement of 2,135 calories. The government has initiated programs like Poshan Abhiyan to address malnutrition, but progress is slow. Number 4, urbanization and changing food systems. Rapid urbanization in India is transforming food systems and consumption patterns. Outdoor food culture pose unique challenge in accessing nutritious food. A 2022 study found that 51% of urban slum households in Delhi experience food insecurity. In response, the government expanded the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana (PMGKAY) to provide free food grain, but challenges in urban food distribution and nutrition persist. Number 5, gender disparities in food access. Persistent gender inequality contribute to food insecurity and malnutrition in India. Women often eat last and least in household, leading to poorer nutritional outcome. The prevalence of anemia as per National Family Health Survey 5 is 57% in women. Number 6, inadequate focus on non-staple food. India's food security policies have traditionally focused on cereals, particularly wheat and rice. This approach overlooks the importance of diverse, nutrient-rich food. Number 7, post-harvest losses and food waste. Significant food loss due to the lack of storage, transportation, and processing infrastructure. It is estimated that nearly 30 to 40% of fruit and vegetables in India are waste due to lack of proper cold storage facilities. To address this, the government launched the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund. Number 8, limited access to clean water and sanitation. Food and nutrition security is closely linked to water, sanitation, and hygiene conditions. This is known as WASH. Poor WASH can lead to malabsorption of nutrients and frequent illness, undermining food security efforts. While India has made progress through the Swachh Bharat mission, but challenges persist. Still, over about 163 million people in India lack access to clean water, and 21% of the country's communicable diseases are caused by the unsafe water. How can India simultaneously achieve food security and reduce hunger? Number one, need to strengthen and diversify the PDS system. Expand the PDS to include a wide variety of nutritious food beyond cereals such as pulses, millets, and fortified foods. Implement technology-driven solutions to reduce leakage and improve targeting. Need to strengthen a one nation one ration card is one nation one ration card scheme to ensure food access for migrant workers. Number two, invest in climate resilient agriculture. Scale up program promoting drought resistance crop varieties, strengthen irrigation system, and sustainable farming practices. Need to expand the coverage of crop insurance scheme like Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana to protect farmers against climate shock. Invest in research and development of climate adaptive agricultural technologies. Number 3, enhance nutrition education and behavior change. Launch comprehensive nutrition education campaign targeting sections such as school children, pregnant women. Integrated nutrition education into school curricula and Anganwadi services. For example, Poshan Abhiyan's Jan Andolan People's Movement approach has shown efforts in raising nutritional awareness. Number 4, strengthen urban food security measures. Develop targeted food security program for urban poor, including community kitchens, urban agriculture initiative, and food bank. Improve the mapping and identification of vulnerable urban populations. Number five, promote dietary diversification and indigenous food. Incentivize the production and consumption of a locally grown, nutrient-rich crop like millets, pulses, and indigenous vegetables. Launch awareness campaign promoting the nutritional benefit of traditional food. The government proposed declaration of 2023 as the International Year of Millet is a step in this direction. Number six, empower women in agriculture and nutrition. Implement policies to encourage women land ownership and access to agriculture inputs. Strengthen women's self-help group and their role in local food systems. For example, the Mahila Kisan Sashaktikarana Pariyojana has shown success in empowering women farmers. Number seven, improve post-harvest management and reduce food waste. Invest storage facilities, cold chain, and food processing units. Number eight, enhance social protection for informal workers. Expand social security measures for informal workers. Implement urban employment guarantee schemes. Number nine, leverage technology for better targeting and monitoring. Implement AI and big data analytics for real-time monitoring of food security. Use satellite imagery and promote sensing for crop yield predictions and climate risk assessment. Develop user-friendly mobile apps to beneficiaries to access entitlement and provide feedback. For example, the Mera Rasan mobile app has improved PDS accessibility. This is PYQ related to this article. Which of the following are the indicators used by IFPRI to compute the Global Hunger Index report? 2016 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. अंडर नरिशमेंट, चाइल्ड स्टंटिंग, चाइल्ड mortality. The correct answer is C. 1, 2, 3. In the context of India's preparation of climate smart agriculture, consider the following statement. The climate smart village approach in India is a part of project led by the Climate Change, Agriculture and Food Security, an international research program. The project of CCAFS is carried out under Consultative Group on International Agriculture Research, headquartered in France. The International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropic in India is one of the CGIAR's research center. Correct answer is D. 1, 2, 3. With reference to the provision made under the National Food Security Act 2013, consider the following statement. The families coming under the category of below poverty line only are eligible to receive subsidized food grains. This statement is wrong. The eldest woman in a household of age 18 years or above shall be the head of the household for the purpose of issuance of a ration card. This statement is true. Pregnant women and lactating mothers are entitled to a take-home ration of 1600 calories per day during pregnancy and for 6 months thereafter. This statement is wrong. So the correct answer is B. Only two. Food security will is expected to eliminate hunger and malnutrition in India. Critically discuss various apprehensions in its effective implementation along with the concern it has generated in WTO. 2013 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था.